The hardest part of content creation is gone. This changes everything about how we create. We are witnessing a major breakthrough. The barrier between your idea and the final frame just vanished. For years, creators spent more time fighting with software than actually creating, searching for clips, manual cuts, endless revisions. It wasn't just work, it was creative exhaustion, a bottleneck that killed $1,000 ideas before they even had a chance. But the workflow just evolved. AI didn't just join the process, it removed the biggest bottleneck entirely. Now, creators can move faster than ever. What used to take 3 hours now takes 3 minutes. That's the new math of content. Less friction, more momentum, more creation. You're no longer limited by your editing skills, only by your imagination. This is MagicLight AI, a powerhouse designed to turn your concepts into cinematic reality without the headache. You type an idea, and it transforms into cinematic video content insanely fast. High production value, zero manual labor. Whether it's for YouTube, social ads, or storytelling, the quality is indistinguishable from big-budget studio work. The creators who adapt first are already pulling ahead. They aren't just working harder, they're working smarter. Honestly, the old workflow is starting to feel outdated, like using a typewriter in the age of the internet. When you remove the friction, you unlock the growth. More uploads, higher retention, and a community that actually scales. The future isn't coming, it's here. And the door is open for anyone ready to take the leap. If you want to create faster without the editing headache, you need to see this for yourself. Check the discount link below before everyone else catches on. The early bird advantage won't last forever. Stop editing, start creating. Welcome to the future of content. I'll see you on the other side. Don't believe me? Watch the speed. This isn't just an update, it's a total reimagining of what's possible. Translate your ideas into any style, any format for any audience, globally, instantly. The only question left is, are you going to lead the shift or are you going to be replaced by it? The visuals speak for themselves. The power is now in your hands. Use it wisely. MagicLight AI, the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Click the link and let's go. Your legacy starts here. MagicLight AI. The link is in the description. Get started now.